a lot of gratitudes to Sri Narayan Konwarsi and Dhruva Boraji and the state of Assam state government for organizing this wonderful event. And big thanks to all the team from RUSA and all the departments of the Ministry of Education, Government of Assam for timely organizing such an event. Though I was told it is the first kind of international event they are organizing, and I think that this is so important for guiding the youth of Assam in the right direction. So thank you so much. And we are actually expecting one more speaker. He's on the way from airport to here. In the meantime, I would like to give some small overview about the speakers of today, of this first session, and also we will try to take some questions. Thank you, Mr. Hoffer, and thank you, Mr. Verma, thank you, Mr. Kochar, and thank you, Mr. Thomas. It was a wonderful session, a lot of information, and as our Secretary and Commissioner said the note, it is important that all the institutions, education institutions, training institutions, higher education institutions, and across sector, it is so important that it's time that you all have to come forward and take lead. We are bringing all the institutions, we are bringing the right partners for you. This is what we can do. And from the government of Assam side, it was very clear message that there is going to be a pertinent change always happening from the government side. It is in nobody's hands. So it is the individual institutions, please take charge. It is important that you all create the right career guidance to all your students. Whether it's a training institution, whether it's an academic institution, higher education institutions, because as you would have listened today, the world is equal for everybody. And why not the youth of Assam or any other state in our country or any other states in the northeast part of India, why not they aspire to go abroad or to go to other states and to raise themselves according to their dreams. So the opportunity is for everybody, and it is our responsibility to give them the guidance. You would have listened to all the speakers today. See, there are opportunities, but how do we do it? Yesterday we had spoken to a lot of heads of institutions. Thanks to Boraj. So what we requested them also, see, it is also important that we give them the right guidance. There are a lot of opportunities, we catch them young, we tell them the opportunities. If they know one foreign language, what is the advantage? How aspirational it could be for them. They're not single unit, right? When they go abroad, they change their entire ecosystem. They change their economics of the entire family, the state, the local. And it was so heartening to see so many achievers from other parts of world. They were from Assam. They have all come back. It's a kind of Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. That's what Konwarti has mentioned. So it's so important that they are so happy coming back and sharing their success stories and giving a lot of guidance for the youth. So each and every youth also can become kind of a brand ambassador for the state of Assam. So I would request all the heads of institutions, we are all here even after the session till evening, and the contact details are all given. Please get in touch with us, and in what way you need information, we are ready to give. And before we go to the question answer session, I think our next expert speaker has just arrived from the airport. I request Dr.